Condition-based maintenance or CBM. Condition-based maintenance is a maintenance strategy that monitors the actual condition of an asset, to decide what maintenance needs to be done. CBM dictates that maintenance should only be performed when certain indicators show signs of decreasing performance, or upcoming failure. Checking a machine for these indicators may include non-invasive measurements, visual inspection, performance data and scheduled tests. Condition data can then be gathered at certain intervals, or continuously as is done when a machine has internal sensors. Condition-based maintenance can be applied to mission-critical and non-mission-critical assets.